to efficiency is to automate as much of the process as possible. We want to make automated decisions where we can. Today, the process is very manual, and they underwrite manually almost all applications that come through the system. The second is when we do manual underwriting, we want to make that process as efficient as possible so the underwriter is spending as little time as is possibly required to make a good decision. And then the third thing is to really focus the underwriter's attention on those applications that pose a high risk, but also are potentially a very profitable client for the merchant acquirer. That's the way we're going to make the process the most efficient and lower the cost for the merchant acquirer.